Get ready for the best chicken wings you've ever had. I got a cool little recipe. Welcome back. I appreciate y'all. This is a quick game day. If America's team is on, I'm gonna want chicken wings. It is what it is. So if I'm at home, I'm watching the game's getting ready to come on, I need some quick, easy chicken wings that I can knock out real quick. So I went to the grocery store. I found me some fresh and natural Foster Farms chicken wings. They're the whole drum flat plus the little tail on it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. I always like to get the whole chicken wing because I feel if I buy them already trimmed, I feel they're real small and I don't really want a small chicken wing. So this is what it looks like here. It's got this little flap on here, and you can cook them whole if you want. You don't got to do anything. You can just season them up, put them on the grill, boom, ready to roll. But that's not how we're going to do it. I want them separated because I'm a team drum guy, but I'm starting to fall in love with some flats. So let me know down below if you are team drums or if you're team flats. So very easy to separate. I'll just fold it out like this. I'll run my knife down and I'll just gradually go, and the knife will find the joint for you. It's very easy. Boom. See that? Separated. Now you got a drum. Now you got a flat with a little flipper on it. You can leave the flipper on, but I don't. But I will put my knife on here and kind of wiggle and it'll find the joint for me, and then I will put down like that. This sucker is off. Boom. So you got your flat, you got your drum. Boom. So let's do it again. Got the drum, got the flat, boom, layer out. And then I'll show this way. So you're just gonna go slow, no pressure. Just let the knife do the work for you. Let the knife find the joint. Boom, cuts right down, just like that. Make sure you always use a sharp knife. You gotta use a sharp knife or this trick ain't gonna work. So, boom. Then just kind of feel with your knife. There's the joint. Get your hand. Bada bing, she's gone. Boom, just like that. All right, wings have been separated. We got drums, we got flats. What are we? Are we team drums? Are we a team flats? Let me know. I'm a team drum guy, but God, I love me a flat, man. All right, so I'm gonna add all of these wings to a bowl, all of them. Pull, add them to a bowl, add them to a pan, whatever you would like. Now, we are going to use 1/3 cup of canola oil or cooking oil, but do not use olive oil. So, any oil you got, peanut oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever other oil, just not olive oil. 1/3 cup on the wings. All right, set that aside. Now we're gonna use my favorite, my go-to on wing. It's our Arizona Cajun rub. Cajun rub, it's got a little Arizona chilies in there. I like to call it a little Arizona love. So add as much as you want in there. You can use your favorite chicken rub or chicken wing rub. My favorite is the Cajun. I like to do Cajun. I want a little Cajun wing. I want a little kick. But you can use any Cajun rub you want, but I like to use that because it's got Arizona love in it. So we're gonna sprinkle that in there and you're gonna just mix, mix, mix. Okay, now I'm going to let this sit. Let it sit. You can put it in the fridge. This could go overnight. You can you can put it in the fridge for an hour. I'm not gonna do any of that because it's game day. America's team is playing. If y'all know what that is, drop me a comment. If you Googled America's team, there's only one team that pops up, and that is my squad. So, these are marinating, they're seasoned, they're ready. Now we're gonna go fire up the grill and get going, baby. All right, so I got the grill fired up. Takes about 10, 15 minutes. I'm using the Green Mountain pellet grill. Let's go. Firing it up, it's going to 300 degrees. I cook everything at 300 degrees. If you've noticed, or if you've been here before, you've been on this channel before, or if it's your first time, I cook everything at 300 degrees. I don't like the low and slow type deal. I'm the kind of guy that I want in, I want out. Let's get the food on, let's get it cooked, and let's get back inside, or let's get back on with our life. We can sit out there, we can tend the fire, 200, 225. I'm cool with that, but I'm doing chicken wings, man. I want chicken wings. I'm cooking high, I'm cooking fast. Yeah, that's what I want, and that'll help get you a crispy wing. So I always start out with the cooling rack. This is something I think every pitmaster, backyard guy, anybody that's cooking outside on a grill should have. You line your food up on this, spray it with Pam, okay? Because I don't want my food sticking. Line your food up on this, anything you're cooking. You set it on the grill like that, bam, walk away. Now, you're ready, food's done, you're ready to take it off. All you gotta do, put some gloves on, some hot mitts, pick the thing up, and go inside. You're done. I know guys like to sit there with a plate and maybe some tongs and just tong everything on a plate. I've done it, I've been there, but this is just quick, easy way for me to do things. And I love it. So if you get anything out of this video, get yourself a cooling rack. All right, so now I'm gonna start laying the wings down. Let's do flats one side, drums the other side. Why? I don't know, I think it'll look cool. Not any particular way, but I'm gonna just lay these suckers on here. Now, let's go throw these bad boys on the grill. All right, Green Mountain Grill's fired up to 300 degrees. I got my wings. All right, let's throw this sucker on. Whew. Bam. Okay, I'm gonna let those babies go for about an hour. I'm gonna let them go for an hour. I'm not even gonna come back and check on them because I don't care. It's gonna go for an hour. 1 hour, I don't have to check the temp, I don't have to do anything. 1 hour, and we'll be back to check them out. All right, so we're 1 hour in. It's been 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, let's check these bad boys out. Get a little temp on them. Whoo, man, these look good. 168. 163. Drums are 156. Okay, these are now safe to eat at 165. But I'm gonna push my wings to 200 degrees. But they're gonna dry out? No, they're not gonna dry out. I want a juicy, crispy, very soft, very easy to eat chicken wing. So I'm pushing these to 200 degrees. 200 degrees is the ultimate temperature for chicken wings. There's so much fat in there. It's gonna stay moist. It's not gonna dry out. And yes, so we're pushing them. We're gonna push them to 200. It's been 1 hour. I'm gonna give it another 30 minutes and we'll come back and check them out. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. So right now I'm at an hour and a half. Hour and a half on these chicken wings. I saved 1 or 2 of them at 165 and pulled them off because I wanna show you the difference on 165 when there's still a tug compared to over 200 degrees where it's a clean bite. All right, let's check the temp on these bad boys. Whoo! 209, 204, 201. All right, we're gonna pull these bad boys off. Boom! Now, I kept telling you about the 165, 200 degrees. All of these have been pulled at between 200 and 209. Some of them are at a little different, but however, these two are at 165 is when I pulled them off. I want to show you that the little bit of tug you get, see that? See the little bit of tug you get at 165? You can still eat them. I mean, they're good. They're damn good, actually. Okay? Another one, a little flat at 165. I got a little tug. Now, when you go over 200 degrees, whoo, dang, these are good. Now, 200 degrees, watch this. See how soft that is? See how juicy it is? It's still juicy. Boom. So, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, all that. Comment below. Follow me on the socials. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.